So we are now on the way to Okla Bird Sanctuary in Delhi. I think, yeah.
With a big group.
With a big group.
Hey.
Hello. Hello. And this guy, our guide. So we switched our plan and now we go to the Jahanpanah City Forest something. Because our guide is stupid and he doesn't know when the bird sanctuary closes. So we are so silent because we want to see a peacock. First time without flip-flops. So we are still in the park and now we're gonna check the fitness equipment. So this is like the open gym, bars, I don't know. Let's see. We got a monkey show today. I got a free ticket. Make the sound monkey. It's a fucking gorilla, white gorilla.
White monkey.
You white gorilla. Chin up, how many chin ups? Here. Try here. Not many. Let's try this.
Where should I put my chin here, man?
Like that, like this side. 2, 3,
nice, left and right and left and right.
4. I can do even 4. 5.
I'm too weak for this shit.
6. Good. Very nice. So we got like a competition of like how long they can stay, hang themselves. Let's see. Stay there. Keep hanging. Yeah.
Already tired.
No. Already tired. What? Stay there. You can keep yourself hang up on your chin. But Shami should like, about to give up, but looking at Camille, she is comfortable. She is like born to do that. Okay. Our gorilla gave up. Oh my god, how they doing this? What? No way. No.
She knew she would win.
You gave up in front. I wanna try with her.
Try?
Yes, but not now. Let her get back to the. Yes. Yeah, she win. Let's see. Ready? Stop! What the fuck? Okay, let's get back to the business. Are you okay?
Yeah, go.
How was your day? Good. How it So we had now an 8-meter walk in this jungle forest, whatever, and it's already dark and night.